Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Live Trace to trace an image in Illustrator. I'm in Illustrator right now, it's open. I'm going to make a new file over here on the left, new file, a letter size, create. I'm going to change the size of my artboard file document setup to be 8 by 10. Going to inches here, edit my artboard there, type in on the right, 8 by 10. That's the size of the paintings that we're going to be making roughly. And now I'm going to click on this arrow over here to unselect the artboard. That's the top arrow. And then go File, Place to place my image, which will be of a person. Place it here. You can see she's too big. I'm going to scale her down. Whoops, holding Shift so she doesn't get funky, stretched out. Put it somewhere reasonable. Okay, and now we're going to use Live Trace. So you want to go to Window, you want to go to Image Trace to trace this image, make sure the image is selected. Then see where it says Preset here, in Default, choose 3 colors. This is the one I recommend. And go to Advanced, and you want to pull down on these tabs here to limit the paths you use so it won't be as, see it's jagged. It's a little, see it's smoother now? That's better. Corners, you can pull those down too, and the noise down too, and that might make things smoother. All right, so if you have it the way you want it, then you can just use this image and print it. Just deselect it there. If you want to keep playing with it, you can play more with the colors. Remember, I chose like 3 colors, but you can choose, go back to where it says custom now because I customized it. You can choose any of these things. Sometimes black and white logo might give you something good, but bear in mind, yeah, I'm just pulling it back now here to the threshold, that's what it's called, to fewer, it says pixels darker than threshold values are converted to black. So yeah, anyway, so it makes fewer, a lower threshold number. But something weird went on with the lip there, so you may not like that. You might need to pull that back up. And you can see how it's very jagged, so you might want to pull your paths and your curves in, or corners in a little bit to make it smoother. Ooh, too smooth. Okay. Well, you can always pull it back. If it gets too jagged, you can pull things back a little bit, play around with these areas. So that's how you use the Live Trace to limit the number of your colors. I really recommend using the 3-color option because that's kind of what we're doing in our paintings anyway. We're reducing them down to like a couple colors. So I think that's the smartest call right there. All right, thank you. And that's all you do. Oh, sorry. If you want to print, just go File, Print, by the way. And you can print this image out to trace and transfer for your project. Thank you.